I'm the greatest Fall Guys player, or not Fall Guys, Party Animals player that has ever touched this video game.
You're an amazing Fall Guys player, huh? Is that what you are?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you are, you little bitch? You know,
Yep.
I think...
I've yet to ever lose.
Look at that pig. Look at that dumb little pig. Look at that pig, you fucking idiot.
Who should I be?
Aren't you usually the otter?
No.
Oh. I forgot to play.
Oh, I'm already dead, so... And yet again, can't do shit.
I forget how to play. Boom! Let them get it. Defense, defense. What did you just do?
I rolled into it. Mine. Give me that shit. Ugh.
Ouch.
Oh, you gotta pick me. Aw, thanks. Pig, bro.
Fucking... What? How many times did I have to hit him? Ow. Fucking dog. Pig. Ow!
No way. No games.
I'll leave him alone. Pass! Ow! I'm getting ganged up on over here. I can't even wake up. I died. Ow.
Ow. I had the most perfect slow motion view of that.
I'm just wrecking house. Oh my god. Poor man stealing.
Look at this shit, bro. This is discipline right here.
Follow your shot. Look at that flip.
Stand down and light.
Look at that shot, boy. Shoot.
Not. Water, crappy. Dude, the pig's mad geeked. Is that all the games? Okay, we should play Fall Guys. Fortnite.
Yeah, she does. Oh, there's Patrick. What the?
We were chilling by a lot.
We were fourth. Damn. Okay.
Yeah. Dude, actually, this is the one that I actually suck at, I think, because of this fan.
Ah, fuck.
Actually, no,
I
this
died.
isn't the one. No way.
Yeah, I died.
Oh, don't worry, I'm literally a pro at Fall Guys. Yeah, I'm leaving this. I tried to hit you, like I tried to punch from Party Animals.
That's not grape. Fuck.
You almost got me killed, bro. And you got me killed.
Alright, quit. We gotta do it again. We gotta do it again.
That is not me.
So unlucky. My callouts in.
I thought you were saying for me that I wasn't on the right one, but.
Yeah, idiot.
Oh my god. Ready up.
Alright, here's what you gotta do. You gotta let the first people run.
I am those first people. I'm a goddamn genius. Just
It's gonna be this one.
Wait. Ah, the losing. I play with my eyes.
Oh my god.
Guys. It's all about sound on this one, by the way. Okay. Well, I just fell back significantly.
Oh fuck. Ooh, me
Don't
too.
worry, I caught back up because of that.
Oh my god.
Please.
I can't.
No.
I keep getting fucking.
I need to rely on the hammer. Okay, well the hammer fricked me. 21. Come on, Nick. Don't sell. Come on. Did we call? We did. Nice.
Whew.
Oh, there's holes. Whoops. Just to you, Nick.
What?
I didn't know there was holes.
Idiot. What? How do people die from this shit?
I wasn't paying attention.
Eliminated. Oh, you're bitch
Yeah,
ass.
because I fell off.
You bitch ass. Whee!
Lock in. Nick.
Yeah?
Yeah, that was such a sick one. No.
Get there, Damien. We got 47, dude. We're in third.
Alright, yeah, I suck. What was that? I'm goated.
No.
Yikes.
Ah, dude.
No way. I'm already got 40.
No!
No! I'm so bad at this one. It's not even funny.
No! David, we're so close. I don't think we're gonna do it. I don't think we're gonna do it. We're not gonna be able to do it. We're not gonna do it.
Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Shut up.
Oh, come on.
Come on. Yes, yes.
Wait, I need to see this. How did we get? How did we get 40? Oh, between both of us. Oh my god. Shit's crazy. I don't know how we did that.
Oh,
I can't focus. There's too much going on. There's too much going on.
No.
No!
No. We both got directly hit.
A star came out of
We're
nowhere.
still in third. Hang on. We're still in third. Fourth.
How come they get directly hit? Nothing happens to them.
Yeah, I don't know. What?
Are you watching Extremer?
Yeah. So we're still qualified.
He's gotten hit so many times. Those stars take you out.
Uh-huh. Saturn's what got me out. Dude, we're still qualified and we're dead. But I think once these guys finish, we're done.
Wait, if we're fourth. Oh, because those guys are first, I guess. Oh my god, it'd be so funny if somebody died. Survived.
Oh my god, we're still in.
Dude, those points saved us. That's crazy.
No, I've never done this one before. I've never gotten this.
I've got it, dude. I've got this. All the many times.
Yeah. But this is the time. No way.
Go, Damien, go. Go, we got this.
Fuck me.
Ow! Ow! Got hit with 2 balls.
Shit.
Ow.
Shit.
Ow.
I'm being passed around.
No.
Wow, like I got it first try. That's crazy. No way.
Ooh. Yep. I've got one.
Nice.
All right, I'll do pairs. I'll do pairs.
3 of the green things.
One
more
pair.
Bananas. There's more bananas. There's way more bananas.
4 bananas, 1 pair. 4 bananas, 1
yeah,
pair.
There's
3
3
green.
of the green thingies.
4 yellow.
More bananas. Yeah.
1 pair. Okay.
I'm already on it.
1 pair. It's the pair. It's the pair. These bitches, they keep jumping over here. They're shitty. It's probably gonna be the 1 pair again.
Yeah. 0.
0.
Great.
Why do people die on that one?
We're in first, I think.
Oh.
I'm gonna be locked in this time, so it's not gonna matter.
Is that what's gonna happen?
Yep.
Maybe we should be on opposite sides. I'll go to the other side.
Okay.
I got hit off.
No way.
You got this, dude. Stay towards the front. Stay towards the front. That's your best. That's your best chance. Even if you do get hit. Let fate decide. No way. He's cracked on the sticks. He's cracked on the sticks.
I never lose.
I still have my virginity because I never lose.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Someone's in the chat.
Really?
Oh, I'm never gonna win this.
Come
We got it.
Literally the best. Literally the best. Literally the best. Dude, I've got this. I got this. I'm not messing up. I'm not messing up.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna mess up. I'm not gonna mess up. I'm not gonna mess up.
This one's all you.
Not gonna mess up. This is me. This is me. I've got this shit. I've got it. I've got it. I've literally never felt so confident in my life. Never felt so confident in my life. Damien, it's you. Damien, it's you. It's you, Damien. It's you, Damien. It's you. It's you, Damien. It's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. It's you.
It's a Damien. Ah, no.
31 points, bro. Oh.
Reversed. That dive was crazy work. Did you see that?
Yo, look at SpongeBob's buns moving, dude. You see them things?
No thanks.
You see them things?
No.
You saw them
I don't even
things?
see SpongeBob.
3 pairs. Hold me, Damien.
Look at him spamming over here in the wrong spot. That's so funny. Ow! Whoa, there's so much.
1, 2, 2 grapes.
4 coconut.
2 grapes.
4 coconut. 3 magnet.
3 green things. Over here.
Such a troll.
For sure,
I'm gonna get gold every time this time. Watch.
Yeah, is that what's gonna happen?
Yep.
How do you even get in the center?
Sigma.
Lost Temple. Oh, there's a maze at the end of this one. Shit.
A what?
This one's a little harder. There's a maze at the end of this one. Oh, I guess it's the whole thing.
Yeah, I was about to say. Looks like it's the whole thing. Me. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, fuck.
No.
Still down here.
Chalk it.
Oh my god, I cannot get out. Dude, I couldn't get out.
That's crazy.
I couldn't get out.
Wow. chalk that whole thing. What?
Of course that guy gets it.
Fall Guy try hard, dude. I gotta use the bathroom so bad.
Me too, I gotta pee.
It's not even silly.
Dude, I'm sucking dick right now. Are you behind me?
That guy really took the risk. I don't know, I'm almost at the end.
Remember the Among Us days? We got everybody to play.
Oh yeah, that was fun.
So much fun.
You're welcome.
We just need one more, dude. Got it.
Nice. Now I take my time at turning. Holy, okay, this is getting a little frisky now. Little. Oh no, I'm not liking this very much anymore. Shite! Stay alive, Nick.
Dude. I was third though.
Bullshit.